Nigger, niggas, nigga. Only two of these words are widely used, but rarely one. Which one are you? Are you the nigga that's quick for busting your tool, killing a fellow brother without a second thought? Them flashy gold chains hanging around your neck like a noose. Damn, that's a nice whip you got there, bruh. Nah, can't be. Niggers only wear chains and get their ass whipped. Oh, slavery over? Excuse us for using our minds to dig deeper into your thoughts and seeing the bullshit, but knowing you're afraid to say something. What are these crazy bitches talking about? Los niggas. Is that all that we are in the land of segregated states of America? Dogs? But during the times that we were raped, shamed, and our souls were stolen from us, it took a lot out of us. We're so sorry, but we never got tired of fighting for you. Because of the lies that Massa told us, you gave up on us. Sisters, we need to stand together. We love you, our kings, and you will have our heart and souls always. We will have your back no matter what. So again, I ask you, which one are you? Signed, your mother, your grandmother, your sister, and your queen.